Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So I'm trying to decide between the Breville Barista Pro and the Terra Kaffe TK-02. Both espresso machines, but seem pretty different.
Yeah, I've looked at both too. The Barista Pro is more of a semi-automatic, right? You've got more control over the grind and tamp.
Exactly. It's got a built-in grinder, which is cool, and you can adjust the grind size. It's got that manual steam wand, which seems great for latte art, but also a little intimidating.
The Terra Kaffe is fully automatic, so it handles everything, right? Grind, tamp, brew, all at the touch of a button.
Yep, that's the appeal. It seems super convenient, plus it's app-enabled, which is kinda neat. Auto-wake and sleep times? Sounds amazing.
True, but that convenience comes at a price. The Terra Kaffe is significantly more expensive, like almost 3 times the price of the Barista Pro.
Ouch, yeah, the price difference is huge. But the Terra Kaffe boasts over 100,000 drink combinations. That seems insane.
That's the app integration, I guess. Roaster-approved espresso settings too sounds fancy. The Breville is more about learning the ropes, mastering the craft.
Good point. Breville's got that thermojet heating system for a super fast heat up time, only 3 seconds. How's the Terra Kaffe on that?
Doesn't say specifically, but I'm guessing it's not as fast. The Breville also has precise temperature control, which sounds important for consistent espresso.
Definitely. What about size? Counter space is precious.
The Terra Kaffe is a bit bigger, 17.5 inches deep, versus the Breville's 13.5 inches. Also, the Terra Kaffe is heavier at 29.5 pounds compared to the Breville's 19.5 pounds.
Good to know. And the water tank?
Breville has a 67 ounces water tank, and the Terra Kaffe has a 75 fluid ounces water tank.
So it comes down to convenience versus control and price. The Breville seems like a better value, but the Terra Kaffe is tempting with its ease of use and smart features.
Exactly. If you want to really get into espresso and learn the process, the Breville is the way to go. If you just want a great cup of coffee with minimal effort and don't mind paying more, the Terra Kaffe is probably the better choice.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.